Artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm, and its influence can be seen in almost every industry, including art. AI-generated art is rapidly gaining popularity among artists and art enthusiasts alike. With its ability to generate unique and intricate patterns, textures, and colors, AI art has opened up a whole new world of artistic expression. But can you make money with AI art? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, AI art has the potential to be a lucrative business for both artists and collectors. Here are some ways to monetize AI-generated art. 1. The most obvious way to make money with AI art is by selling your artwork. AI-generated art can be sold in various formats, including prints, digital files, and physical installations. You can sell your artwork on online marketplaces such as Etsy, Saatchi Art, or Artsy, or you can create your website to showcase and sell your art. 2. License your artwork. Another way to monetize your AI art is by licensing it to companies for commercial use. Companies are always on the lookout for unique and eye-catching artwork to use in their marketing campaigns, products, and services. You can license your AI art to companies such as Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Getty Images, or you can reach out to companies in your niche and offer your services. 3. Collaborate with brands. Brands are increasingly using AI art to create unique and memorable marketing campaigns. As an AI artist, you can collaborate with brands to create custom artwork that aligns with their brand image and values. You can approach brands directly or join online marketplaces such as Creative Allies or Talent House to find collaboration opportunities. 4. Participate in art exhibitions and fairs. Participating in art exhibitions and fairs is an excellent way to gain exposure for your AI-generated art and connect with potential buyers and collectors. You can submit your artwork to online art exhibitions such as Artavida or participate in physical art fairs such as Art Basel, Frieze Art Fair, or Art Cologne. 5. Teach AI art. If you're an experienced AI artist, you can teach others how to create AI-generated art. You can create online courses, tutorials, or workshops to teach the basics of AI art to beginners or advanced artists. You can sell your courses on platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable, or you can offer your services as a private tutor or consultant. In conclusion, AI art offers a wealth of opportunities for artists and collectors to monetize their passion and creativity. By selling your artwork, licensing it to companies, collaborating with brands, participating in art exhibitions and fairs, or teaching others, you can turn your AI art into a profitable business. So why not give it a try and see